outside.
You can catch tilapia or St. Peter's fish and hito or catfish. We will provide you with fishing rods and bait, and you may choose to either have us cook your catch or you take them out with you on your way home. On your left is our deer pen. This is an extension of our deer park, which you will see shortly. To your far right are our Vista cottages, our deluxe accommodations. On your left side is the deer park, where we have about 30 Philippine deer. The Philippine deer, also known as the Philippine sambar or the Philippine brown deer, is a species of deer native to the forests and grasslands on most larger islands of the Philippines. It is classified as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature due to its increasingly fragmented populations as a result of habitat loss and hunting. The Philippine deer is a medium-sized species, but generally much smaller than its cousin, the sambar deer. It is mostly even brown in color, with the exception of the underside of the tail, which is white. The antlers of the male are quite small, usually having a length of 20 to 40 centimeter or 7.9 to 15.7 inches. Here on your right are our hydroponics greenhouses, where we grow leaf lettuce, romaine or red salad bowl lettuce, arugula, salad tomato, Japanese cucumber, basil, parsley, and celery. Hydroponics is a soilless way of planting that uses just water to provide the vegetables with nutrients. Coconut husks ground into powder form are used to hold the roots down. We do not use pesticides or chemical sprays on these vegetables. They are regularly served in our main restaurant. They are also available in selected supermarkets downtown. Simply look for the green Eden seal. On your right are the holiday lodges. These accommodations are duplex-type deluxe cottages. Across the road on your left is a small, multi-level function area called Holiday Terraces, so named after its multiple terrace design. On your left is the Mangosteen Orchard, which covers a total of about 3 hectares. Across the road on your right is our Gulayang Pilipino, where we showcase our organically grown local vegetables. These vegetables are also available in selected supermarkets downtown. Again, simply look for the green Eden seal. The flower garden, where we have over 100 different varieties of flowers. This is our first stopover. Feel free to explore and enjoy, but please refrain from picking the flowers. You may also access the Gulayang Pilipino through here. You have 5 minutes to roam around. We are about to resume our journey, so please sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. Speaking of view, the view from the amphitheater is of Davao City, to Davao Gulf, and Samal Island, where our sister resorts, Ana Marina and the island Benavista are located. Brochures for these resorts are available at the front office. You may also follow us on all our social media. We are passing through the Rainbow Pass, where each arc has flowers that correspond to a particular rainbow color. We also have a rainbow art installation, which is often used for prenuptial and wedding pictorials, and even during outdoor wedding ceremonies held in the amphitheater. We are now entering the forest area. Time for a brief lesson in geography. Eden is sitting on the lower slopes of Mount Talomo, which is part of the Apo Talomo mountain range. It stands at 8,873 feet or 2,674 meters above sea level. By comparison, Eden's highest point is approximately 3,000 feet or 914 meters above sea level. We are now going through the second phase of our mangosteen orchard. Here are some facts about mangosteen. Mangosteen, or Garcinia mangostana, is native to Southeast Asia. Since ancient times, it has been cultivated in Malaysia, Borneo, Sumatra, mainland Southeast Asia, and the Philippines. It is often used in traditional medicine. Mangosteen seedlings take between 8 to 15 years before they can bear fruit, but even trees as old as 100 years can still be productive. And now, for a brief history lesson. Eden used to be a logged-over area with most of its primary forest gone. It was only in the 1970s that development started. The owners carved terraces along the mountain slope. They also started planting thousands of pine seedlings as well as other trees and plants. These trees now make up the man-made forest that we are going through today. Speaking of pine trees, Eden has three varieties: Benguet, Caribbean, and Norfolk. The Benguet pine, also known as the Cassie pine or three-needle pine, is one of the most widely distributed pines in Asia. Its range extends south and east from the Khasi Hills of India to Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam, southern China, Myanmar, and the Philippines, where it gets its name from the province of Benguet. The Caribbean pine is native to Central America, Cuba, and the Bahamas. It is a fast-growing species. The Norfolk pine is endemic to Norfolk Island, an external Australian territory in the Pacific Ocean. It is not a true pine, as it belongs to the genus Araucaria and not genus Pinus. now at our second stopover, Tinugdan, Eden's tribute to the indigenous cultures of Mindanao. You will see here artistic interpretations of the traditional practices and worldviews of the Lumans, the indigenous peoples of Mindanao, from their architecture and farming, to their social and political structure, to their stories and mythologies. You may disembark and roam around for 5 minutes. We are about to resume our journey, so please settle down. We hope your visit to Tinugdan was fun and educational. Tinugdan first opened in 2008 after 2 years of planning in coordination with local architects, artists, anthropologists, and Lumans. It is a work in progress. On your far left is another view of Davao City, the Davao Gulf, and Samal Island, where our sister resorts Ana Marina and the Island Bella Vista are located. Brochures for these resorts are available at the front office. You may also follow us on all our social media. To your right is our organic herb garden, where we grow various herbs and spices, which we use in the Vista restaurant. Welcome to Lola's Garden. Lola is Filipino for grandmother. In this garden, you will find many plants and flowers traditionally grown in Philippine gardens. This is our third and final stopover before returning to the theater center. Welcome back! We are about to resume our journey, so please settle down. On your right is our Pine Lodge, one of our family cottages. If you wish to stay here or in any of our other accommodations, you may book at the front office or call our sales and reservations office. On your left are more of our organically grown vegetables, which are available in selected supermarkets downtown. Remember to look for the green eating seal. Of Dendrocalamus asper, or more commonly known as the Philippine giant bamboo. You might observe that this particular clump have grown so tall that they are bending over and creating a natural archway. On your left is our log cabin, another one of our family cottages. If you wish to stay here or in any of our other accommodations, you may book at the front office or call our sales and reservations office. For more information and to stay updated on our promos and events, visit our website at www.edenaturepark.com.ph and follow us on all our social media.